Linking a focus to your iPhone 16's lock screen or home screen allows for automatic visual transitions that help you maintain boundaries between different activities and schedules. There are two ways to link a focus to your iPhone's lock screen or home screen. The first method we'll demonstrate is through Settings. Here's how it's done. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Focus. Select your desired focus to link. You can use any from your existing focus modes. Once you're in the Focus menu, navigate to the Customize Screen section. Then, tap Choose Next to Lock Screen. You can either create a new lock screen or select any from the existing lock screens. Once you're done selecting, tap Done to confirm. Link between the selected focus and screen will now be established. The second method to link a focus is through the lock screen. To do this, go to your lock screen, then touch and hold the screen. Next, tap the Focus Link button at the bottom. Select which focus you want to link to this lock screen. To continue, tap Close or the X icon to confirm. Once you've linked a focus to your home screen or lock screen, you'll see a new icon appear. When you tap on the icon, the focus will be activated. This feature on your iPhone 16 creates an automatic visual transition when you switch focus modes, helping you mentally shift between different activities. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.